Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing. Make sure you can access Instagram on a web browser because the temporary disable option appears there. Once done, back up any photos or messages you care about. Downloading your data prevents surprises. Next, verify your username and password so you won't be locked out mid-process. Make sure your account is updated and that you're comfortable using the browser version rather than the app for these first critical steps. Now you'll perform the core action. Log into Instagram. Come and navigate to your profile, then choose Edit Profile. Once there, locate the link labeled Temporarily Disable My Account. Instagram hides it at the bottom. Select the reason for disabling from the drop-down so the option becomes active, and then re-enter your password when prompted. These steps remove your profile and content from view while preserving data. Once you complete them, you're almost finished with the process. Finish by clicking Temporarily Disable Account and wait for the confirmation page. This confirms your profile is hidden. Once done, log out and, if you want, verify from a friend's account that your profile no longer appears. If the action fails, clear your browser cache, try a different browser, or use an incognito window and repeat the steps. If problems persist, check Instagram's status and retry after a short wait. These fixes resolve.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.